Hi, it's Tuesday now. We're pretending anyway that I did yesterday's video. Actually did it yesterday, even though I just now did it. So today was Sigalia's 10th birthday because today is May 12th. And so she turned 10 years old today. And so we sang happy birthday to her in our class. And it went something like, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Sigalia, happy birthday to you. And then Kang played it on his keyboard. It was a very exciting morning. Haha. So moving on to what you should have done for homework. I circled all of your homework assignment in bright yellow so that I would remember which problems were which. So you were supposed to do the evens on the pages that we did yesterday. They were pages 4 through 6 in the Monday handout. So that ended up being pages 294, 295, and 296. So you're doing the evens, or you should have done the evens. I'm going to talk through them to check. So a polo team is making 18 mallets from cane. Each mallet is 84 inches long. How many inches of cane do they use? Well, so it's just a multiplication problem because after all, we are doing double digit by double digit multiplication this week. So 8 times 4 is 32. Put down my 2, carry my 3. 8 times 8, 16, plus 3 is, 8 times 8, 64, plus 3 is 67. Lost my train of thought. So put down my 0, cross out my ones place and everything to do with my ones place. And then multiply. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 8 is 8. So add them up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. Put down my 1, carry my 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 8 is 15. And so 1,512 inches is how many inches of cane they needed. Number 18 is hot, multi-step. So they gave us a clue on that it was multi-step. It says that there are 13 students in the sticker club. Each student put 6 stickers on 34 pages of their scrapbook. So 6 stickers for 34 pages. So each kid in that group put 6 stickers on 34 pages. So how many stickers did they put? Each kid put this many. So 6 stickers, 34 pages. 6 times 4 is 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 2 is 20. So one kid, each of those kids, put 204 stickers on their pages. But it says there are 13 kids in the group. So each of the 13 kids put 204 stickers in their notebooks. So we're actually multiplying 3 digit by 2 digit. So same thing though, really easy. So we said 204 times 13, 3 times 4 is 12, put down my 2, carry my 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 3 times 4 is 6. That would have been the place to make a mistake right there. Multiply by the tens place. I'm going to put my 0, cross out my ones place and everything to do with my ones place. And say 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them up. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. Nothing plus 2 is 2. So altogether, that club of 13 kids has stuck 2,652 stickers so far. Pretty good. Okay, so that was that page. Then on the next page, you had to do the highlighted problems, and this is where I threw myself for a loop if you watched the Monday video. Since I write so big, I decided not to squish, and so I just recorded answers underneath. So this one was 28 times 13, 28 times 13. I just moved it because I write big. 3 times 8 is 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Put down my 0 because I'm multiplying by the tens place. So I cross out everything that has to do with the ones place. And I multiply my tens place. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. Put down my 6 and carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 364. And I forgot to mention that we decided we weren't going to do the estimates because the estimates messed us up yesterday. They did not to me, the estimates did not seem close enough to our answers to make me feel like I got the right answer. So I just said, don't worry about doing the estimates. Number 4. And again, I just recorded my answer underneath the problem. So this is 19 times 32, 19 times 32. 2 times 9 is 18, put down my 8, carry my 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Put down my 0 because I'm multiplying by my tens place. So I get rid of all my 1 stuff. 3 times 9 is 27, put down my 7, carry my 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. So I add them up. 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, put down my 0, carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So 608 is our answer. Then number 6, 40 times 72, 40 times 72. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8. Put down my 0, cross out everything about my 1s. 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 4 is 28. Add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2. So 2,880 was our answer. Okay. And like I said, we ended up doing all of this on Monday in class because it just broke one problem into 4 parts. So easy peasy, we took it. We don't have to do that. Then you just had to do these 3 problems on this page. Again, it's 2-digit times 2-digit. So a health club membership costs $65 a month. How much does a membership cost for 12 months? So for the whole year, right? So 2 times 5 is 10, put down my 0, carry my 1. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Put down my 0, cross out my 1 and everything to do with my 1s. 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 6 is 6. Add them up. 0 plus 0 is 0, 3 plus 5 is 8, 1 plus 6 is 7. So $780 it would cost to join that club for the year. We go. So next one. Jason bought 39 boards. I don't know where I got cards. Jason bought 39 boards that are each 12 feet long. How many feet of lumber did he buy? So he's talking about wood, not surfboards. So multiply 39 by 12 because each of the 39 boards was 12 feet long. 2 times 9 is 18. Put down my 8, carry my 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Put down my 0 because I'm multiplying by the tens place. Cross out my 1, everything to do with the 1s. 1 times 9 is 9. Boom. 1 times 3 is 3. Boom. Add them up. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16. Put down my 6, carry my 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 468 was our answer. 468 was right there. I always like it when there's an answer choice that matches what we did. Number 16. A theater, and it tells us it's a multi-step, dreaded multi-step, but we're getting good at these. We're getting so good at these. So a theater has 28 rows of 38 seats downstairs and 14 rows of 26 seats upstairs. How many seats does the theater have? So we're talking about the upstairs seats and the downstairs seats. The upstairs seats are 28 rows of 38 seats in each. So we multiply that out. 8 times 8 is 64. Put down my 4, carry my 6. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 6 is 22. Put down my 0, cross out my 1's place, cross that out. 3 times 8 is 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So I got 840. So add 4 plus 0 is 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 8 is 10. So downstairs they have 1,064 seats. Now upstairs they have 14 rows of 26 seats each. 6 times 4 is 24. Put down my 4, carry my 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Put down my 0 because I'm multiplying by the tens place. Cross out everything related to my 1's place. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. Add them up. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 8 is 16. Put down my 6. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So upstairs they only have 364 seats. But we want to know how many they have upstairs and downstairs. So here's my upstairs. Here's my downstairs. I'm going to add my downstairs right here. 4 plus 4 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. Put down my 2. Carry my 1's right there. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 3 is 4, 1 plus nothing is 1. So they have 1,428 seats total, upstairs and downstairs. And that's it, folks. That was all we had on Segalia's birthday, for checking the homework. The fun has yet to begin. We still have our classwork to do, which was the next assignment. So that'll be the next video. Love you. See you in about 5 minutes on the next video. Bye.